Good morning students. Beta, watch this video. I have given I have given you the content of this video. Okay. Now just I am going to discuss what's given. So in this video I am going to discuss a different types of chart which is called scatter chart. Okay. So scatter chart, in scatter charts there will be some dots and those dots will not be joined. When dots are joined, there will be a line chart, but when we are not joining those dots, it means it is a scatter chart. And here you can find some text about scatter charts. Okay, that is about scatter charts. You can read. This is the text. Now just the program which is based on this scatter chart, I am going to explain you. There is a program here, program and its execution should be also given. So now I am making comment, removing comment of about text and going to execute the following program. Here in this program, two values for height and weights I have taken. Okay, and we have to plot a scatter chart using these two values. For this purpose, we will use a method. Name of that method is scatter. This is the method name which can be used to draw a scatter chart. Okay, beta. So PLT is the object of PLT is the object of pplot module and its method can be used. Scatter is the method, and in this method we can pass two values, ht and wt. Ht stands for height and wt stands for weight. And finally we can use plt dot show. And you know what is the meaning of these two lines, plt dot x level and plt dot y level. Okay, so now just see what is the output of these two lines. These lines, now you can find its output. Just it is about to display it. Here some errors are, actually some other data is available which are not comment. That's why this error you have got. Now we can execute again it. Actually some other portion is also active. Because of this we have got two charts actually. Now with the left side and right side, in both the pan you can find left side program and right side output. So some dots are here. Okay beta, this is a simple scatter graph, and if we want to decorate this graph, then in some parameters we can change some value or we can add some parameters in scatter method. यहाँ पर जो scatter method use कर रहे हैं, here we are passing ht and wt. Some other parameter can also be given to decorate this chart. ये जो chart है इसको decorate करने के लिए हम कुछ और भी parameter use कर सकते हैं. What are those parameters? Those parameters I am going to discuss. यहाँ स्क्रीन पे बेटा देखिए, those parameters are S, C and marker. Using S we can specify the size of marker, and using C the color of marker, and marker specifies the marker to be used to plot points. That is, using marker which type of marker will be there. And इनके लिए यहाँ पे values दी हुई हैं. यहाँ पे देखिए, if we type S in marker there will be square, If we type O, then marker value will be circle, and if this cap type sign, then triangle, upside triangle will be there. Okay, so these values can be applied. So just I am going to execute second one program, and for this first one program should be made comment. Now after this portion which I am going to execute, I am removing the comment of this portion. Okay, now try to execute this portion and see what is the result of this portion. Now beta, this is decorated portion. Here you can find stars instead of dots. Okay, these size of stars can also be changed. If I change this value 500 to 1000, then you can see beta, size of stars increased in pixels. Actually its size is increased in the form of pixels. So now you can see increased size of asterisk stars. स्टार की जगह अगर हम यूज करते हैं S, then what will be its output? Now beta you can see squares. Okay, और इसकी वैल्यूज को अगर हम कम कर दें, 1000 को चेंज करके 100 कर दें, then these squares will be smaller. Okay beta, so now using this way you can decorate your scatter graph. Okay, and level, Y level, show, you know about all these. Okay beta, so there are some programs which are very simple to create a scatter graph. Okay, one more program that will be explained, but that program I will take up in next video. Actually in today's class I explained only these two programs. So by this time I have created a video of these two programs. So try to understand if you could not get it. Okay, but I think most of the students have got what is the difference between these two charts and how can we draw these two charts. Okay, now try to understand. Now I am going to stop my video. Thanks for watching.